Okay guys, here we are gonna do a tutorial on how to make a diagram for your students that they can label. So first thing I did is I went and I found my blank diagram, and I have it as a PDF, so I just brought it up on my screen. And what I'm going to do is I am going to make that PDF into a JPEG or PNG file. And the easiest way for me to do that is to just do like a screen capture. So for my computer, I believe it's Shift Control in the window, and then the screen kind of goes dark like that, and I get this little cursor, and I'm just going to bring it over here in this corner, push down on my mouse pad, bring it down here, and that's about what I want. So I have a screenshot taken. It's on my clipboard. And then what I'll do is come up here to my new tab and go to my apps, get out of there, go to slides. And I'm just going to bring up a new one. Okay, now I'm going to come on here and just click and drag and hit backspace to delete everything so I have a clear screen. Now I'm going to go over here to background. Click on that, go over to choose image, and I'm going to upload something. So I have this screenshot. There. That's the image. I'm going to hit done. I don't want that to be the theme. I don't want that to be on every slide. I just want it on this slide. And so you can see that I have all these things numbered. Well, that's fine. I can go and if I wanted to, I could go back and erase all that from that JPEG, but I'm gonna leave it just for now and kind of see how it turns out. The next step is that oh, looks like I went offline. Not sure. Anyway, oh, there we go. Okay, so next thing is I'm going to click on a text box, and let's see here. Create one like this. Okay, and I've got 8 different things, so I'm just going to start right here, and I'm going to go in order. So heal, B-U-L-B, heal bulb. All right, click on this, and I go Control C, and then Control V. So Control V, V. I've got all these little text boxes, and if I go over here to the edge, I get this 4 arrow thing, and I can start moving them down here. And I'm going to pause this right now so I don't click on this, bring this one down over here. Kind of get the gist of what I'm doing. And I'm just putting them on the side here. Put them anywhere. All right, so I have the first one, which is healable. I click on this one, and gonna delete all this stuff, and it's the central sulcus. Make that a little bit bigger. This one is going to be the bars. And this one we're going to call it the white line or the lamina. Use whatever term you want. And number 5 is the sole. Number 6 is the wall. Seven is the frog. And number 8 is the collateral sulcus. Okay, now I have this extra one up here. I'm just going to delete that whole thing. There. Okay, now next thing that I'm going to do is go in here and I'm going to add a little, click on this box. Okay, and I'm going to fill, let's see here. Let's do like a green. Now that's a little bit too dark. So how about a yellow? All right. And then I can add a line to it, border color. So I'm going to go black and make it nice and wide. There. Now, this is kind of like a little box that I can move over. And the students are going to basically, they're going to grab this box and put it wherever they think the heel bulb is, just like that. We'll get to that in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and pause this and come back when I have everything formatted. Okay, so added all these different colors, lined them all up nice and pretty on the side of the slide. And next thing that we're going to do is we need to title this. Well, yeah, we're going to title this parts of the foot. Diagram. Okay, so that's saved. And then we're going to make a copy of it. Doesn't matter which, we only have one slide, so it doesn't matter if we just choose one slide or the whole thing. Okay, so there's our editable version. We're going to go over here. Well, we're going to save it. I'm going to go into my horsemanship thing, and I'm going to go to assignments, and I'm going to add assignment. And I'm going to put parts of the hoof, add some instructions over here. And make Okay. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to put, whoops. Create a link. Go to my editable one. I'm going to hit share. And let's see here. So add people. Make sure that that's on viewer. Got it. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to just go back in here and make sure that it's not just AAC high schools. Okay, I figured out what I was doing wrong. When I go to share, I don't want just AAC high school. I'm going to change that. And got it. Click on this down arrow, anyone with the link. So it's on the web. There it is. Done. Now I have the link copied. Go back to my assignment and Control V. Insert link. There we go. So in this assignment, I'll go down here. I don't want it to be a text entry. I want it to be a file upload, and all that stuff looks good. Anyways, what they're going to do is when they go in to do the assignment, they will hopefully create a copy, move the parts around to the correct place, take a screenshot of it, and then they'll submit that. Now, the only problem is that